Pepper seed, I run down the Gaza youth. God just tell me fi shoot. Shoot them. Shoot them. Shoot them.
Yo, Gucci.
Baba black sheep have you any wool? Me have a dozen rifle, the clip them full. Let me tell you about the Gaza. And a little bit of teeth get pull. Baba black sheep have you any wool? Me have a dozen rifle, the clip them full. Let me tell you about the Gaza. And a little bit of teeth get pull. Pan the Gaza, we push ratchet in a neck. Nobody boy can't take a slip. We smoke weed every day, money always a make. We love rinse out the Celtic. No pussy can't suck pan the Gaza. We move weight, so we have to hold the harder. Cause you have to think about your mother and your father. Dead or alive, pussy, which one you rather? Baba black sheep have you any wool? Me have a dozen rifle, the clip them full. Let me tell you about the Gaza. And a little bit of teeth get pulled. Baba black sheep have you any wool? Me have a dozen rifle, the clip them full. Let me tell you about the Gaza. And a little bit of teeth get pulled. Turn the AR upon the sheep and kill the whole flock. Go suck out your mother non-stop. Every day you get up and I ride Gaza, Uncle Cock. You must not like your head back. Hey boy, you feel love fat punani. Vulture squad fuck up the sheep army. No suck cocky boy coulda never confirm me. Bullet in a face if a man make you honey. Hey cartel, control your Gaza. Before sheep and goat and cow get torture. When you see me na the tin top lancer bumble hole, me have gunshot for sponsor. For murder you me no need no practice. Me have the Joseph and rapid and me nah miss. 1200 round per minute chop up the batty boy mince up heavy. Baba black sheep have you any wool? Me have a dozen rifle the clip them full. Let me tell you about the Gaza. And a little bit of teeth get pull. Baba black sheep have you any wool? Me have a dozen rifle the clip them full. Let me tell you about the Gaza. And a little bit of teeth get pull. You hear that batty boy? Pepper seed, I run down the Gaza youth. God just tell me fi shoot. Shoot them. Shoot them. Shoot them. Suck out your mother.